Hello and welcome from AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I'm sure you will find it useful. We have another fine example of Land Rover product to bring to market and offer you. It's a superb condition, fantastic specification, backed up with full Land Rover service history. So sat in front of us today we have a 2020 Land Rover Range Rover Velar Dynamic SE. And this is the P250 petrol engine variant. It's a 2-litre petrol, 250 brake horsepower, and it looks simply stunning. You see the sun just catching that lovely Corris grey metallic paintwork there. This particular vehicle is also blessed with the black exterior package. So you see we have the high gloss black front splitter, black grille and badging, as well as bonnet and side vents, door mirror casings and privacy glass from the B pillar backwards. A separate entity, however, is the contrast Narvik black painted roof, as well as a stunning fixed glass panoramic sunroof to go with it, which really complements the car well. It breaks up the colour and really does brighten up the cabin. We can have a look at the blue skies today. And I've just come back here to the door card, some more lovely specification, including the 3-stage electric memory seat for driver. So if there is more than one driver, you can record your driving position exactly. If you like your sound, we have the upgraded Meridian surround sound system for a nice, crisp, clean sound. But one thing you can't see on the vehicle, which was another £800 cost option from new, is the adaptive dynamics. So this, as well as having the terrain response, will adapt to the way you're driving and really does give you a smooth, comfortable drive, particularly with that stunning petrol engine. Also notice that we have the high gloss black alloy wheels. I think the contrast on the vehicle is absolutely superb. So thank you for taking the time to watch the video. I hope you found that useful, and if you have any more queries, please contact our award-winning sales team. We are all on hand to assist you and look forward to doing business with you soon. Thank you.